Hello, my name is Vanessa Andrade, and this is my take on the lesson Build a California Mission using the 4 levels of SAMR. The first level of SAMR is substitution. In this level, I will incorporate the Smartboard, Nearpod, Google Documents, and Internet sources into the introduction and research portion of the lesson Build Your California Mission. In the introduction, I will have an image of a California mission on the Smartboard. In this scenario, I am using an image of the mission San Carlos Borromeo. I will ask my students, does anyone know what this image is, to start the conversation on their knowledge of the California missions. Next, I will use Nearpod to present the lesson. I decided to use Nearpod because students can access it on their device in case they cannot see the Smartboard. Instead of having students fill out a paper handout answering questions for the California Mission Project, they will have access to a Google document I created to answer those questions on their devices. Students will also be required to use at least 2 internet sources to help them answer the questions from the Google document. The second level is documentation. In this level, I will have students incorporate videos or virtual tours and embed links during their presentation section of the lesson. Students will incorporate a video they believe enhances their presentation. They will decide the appropriate time to play the video. For example, a student can decide they want to incorporate a portion of the Brain Pop video, or they might want to take their classmates on a virtual tour before the presentation. They can do this by embedding the link into the corresponding slide. Students will also be required to embed the resources they use. I have also embedded links to both the video and tour into this slide. The third level is modification. In this level, students will create a graphic organizer, synthesis, and provide feedback to their classmates. Students will create a graphic organizer that includes multimedia resources they found helpful using the template of their choice. They will provide a synthesis based on what they have learned from California missions, and they will post their graphic organizer and synthesis on Google Classroom, where they will respond to 2 of their classmates. The fourth level is redefinition. Students will create a 3 to 7 minute video and publish their final product on YouTube. Students will use an editing app of their choice to create a video about their thoughts on California missions. Then they will publish their video on YouTube, which will be available for people to see all over the world. In conclusion, we went from zero tech to using the 4 levels of SAMR.
Created using Powtoon.